Hello friends, let's start part 2 of the weekly 100 MCQ of September 3rd week. 26th question is find the company which collaborated with Google to enable customers use their cards on Google Pay platform. Options are ICICI card, PNB card, SBI card, IOB card, HDFC card. Its answer is SBI card. Next question is name the organization which signed letter of intent with Indian School of Public Policy to strengthen the knowledge, ability, skills of government officials. Options are Finance Commission, Reserve Bank of India, National Development Council, National Institute of Transforming India, Niti Aayog, and fifth is none of the above. Its answer is Niti Aayog. Next question, which ministry has signed MOU with Ayush Ministry to integrate Ayush systems with the nutrition interventions of ICDS? Options are Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Ministry of Culture, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Minority Affairs. Its answer is Ministry of Women and Child Development. Next question, who heads the high-level task force constituted to initiate action in advance for managing air pollution in National Capital Region, NCR region? Options are Arvind Srivastava, S. Gopalakrishnan, Amarjit Sinha, P.K. Mishra, Ajit Doval. Answer is P.K. Mishra. Next question, who has won the LG Nobel Prize 2020 for medical education? Options are Donald Trump, Boris Johnson, Narendra Modi, Vladimir Putin, or all the above. Its answer is all the above. Next question, which institute developed a device for prevention of deep vein thrombosis DVT recently? Options are SN Bose National Center for Basic Sciences, next Sri Chitra Tribunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology, Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research, Wadia Institute of Himalayan Geology, or Institute for Advanced Studies in Science Technology. Its answer is Sri Chitra Tribunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology. Next question, which lab of CSIR has developed India's first CRISPR test? Tata Sons signed agreement to manufacture it. Options are, so its answer is given, Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology. Next question, the International Day of Peace is observed annually on 21st September. What is the theme? तो इसके ऑप्शंस हैं टुगेदर फॉर पीस, रिस्पेक्ट, सेफ्टी एंड डिग्निटी फॉर ऑल, शेपिंग पीस टुगेदर, द राइट टू पीस, क्लाइमेट एक्शन फॉर पीस, द सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स, building blocks for peace. Its answer is shaping peace together. Next question, John Turner, who passed away in September 2020, is the former Prime Minister of which country? Options are Brazil, US, Canada, UK, Mexico. Its answer is Canada. Next question, when was World Alzheimer's Day observed annually? Options are 19 September, 20th September, 21st September, 22nd September, 23rd September. Its answer is 21st September. World Alzheimer's Day is observed annually on 21st September. Next question, International Red Panda Day 2020 was observed on 29th July, 2nd November, 19th September, 5th October, or 12th August. Its answer is 19th September. International Red Panda Day is observed annually on 19th September. Next question, which is the first state in India to come up with policies on ethical AI, blockchain and cyber security? Options are Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Gujarat or Tamil Nadu. Its answer is Tamil Nadu. Next question, what is the food grain production target set by Government of India for 2021 crop year? जुलाई से जून के बीच में. Options are 275 million tons, 310 million tons, 290 million tons, 301 million tons, or 326 million tons. Its answer is 301 million tons is the food grain production target set by Government of India for 2020-21 crop year. Next question: which bank set up a new vertical called Emerging Entrepreneurs Business? EEB नाम का एक नया वर्टिकल किस बैंक ने सेटअप किया है? ऑप्शंस आर कैथोलियन सीरियन बैंक, इंडसइंड बैंक, धनलक्ष्मी बैंक, फेडरल बैंक और बंधन बैंक. Its answer is Bandhan Bank. It was established by Bandhan Bank. Next question: which department has issued a notification on extending the date of implementation of TOEIC Quality Control Order 2020? Options are Department of Personnel and Training, Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, Department of Commerce, Department of Telecommunications or Department of Commerce Affairs. Its answer is DPIIT, Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. Next question: which state UT's government signed MOU with Indian Army to operationalize the airstrip in Kishtwar? Options are Tamil Nadu, Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, Puducherry, Uttar Pradesh. Its answer is Jammu and Kashmir. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: विच बैंक हैज साइंड कॉर्पोरेट एजेंसी एग्रीमेंट विद HDFC लाइफ? HDFC लाइफ के साथ कॉर्पोरेट एजेंसी एग्रीमेंट किस बैंक ने साइन किया है? ऑप्शंस आर RBL बैंक, इंडसइंड बैंक, ICICI बैंक, येस बैंक और DBS बैंक. इट्स आंसर इज येस बैंक. येस बैंक ने साइन किया है कॉर्पोरेट एजेंसी एग्रीमेंट HDFC लाइफ के साथ. Next question is: Ban-Daw has been appointed as the interim president of which country? Ban-Daw को interim president किस country का अपॉइंट किया गया है? Options are Georgia, Mali, Uganda, Nigeria and or Rwanda. Its answer is Mali. Next question: name the person who has been appointed as the member of Asian Football Federation Task Force. Asian Football Federation Task Force के member को अपॉइंट किया गया, उनका नाम क्या है? Its answer is Girija Shankar Mungali. Next question: who is the chairperson champion of men's singles category at Italian Open 2020? Italian Open 2020 के men's singles category के विनर कौन रहे हैं? Options are Rafael Nadal, Dominic Thiem, Novak Djokovic, Diego Schwartzman or none of the above. Its answer is Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic won men's singles category of Italian Open. Next question is: who chairs the SEBI's technical group on social stock exchange? सोशल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज जो सेबी का टेक्निकल ग्रुप है उसके चेयरपर्सन कौन है? ऑप्शंस आर पुष्पा अमन सिंह, इंग्रिड श्रीनाथ, हर्ष कुमार भानवाला, शाजी कृष्ण और रूपा कुदवा. इट्स आंसर इज हर्ष कुमार भानवाला. हर्ष कुमार भानवाला इज द chairperson of SEBI's technical group on social stock exchange. 47th question is: who has authored the book titled Voices of Dissent? Voices of Dissent के राइटर कौन है? ऑप्शंस आर अमिता कनेकर, सुमेधा वर्मा, रोमिला थापर, सुजाता मस्सी और मेधा देशमुख. इट्स आंसर इज रोमिला थापर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज: इवान राकितिक who is in news recently in associated with which sport? Options are football, baseball, basketball or tennis or none of the above. Its answer is football. Next question: World Rhino Day observed annually on 22nd September. What is the theme of the World Rhino Day 2020? World Rhino Day September 22 को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. इसका थीम क्या है? 5 rhino species forever, save rhinos make ecosystem balance, 5 rhinos or none of the above. Its answer is 5 rhinos species forever. Next question and last question of the second part: Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who passed away recently, belonged to which country? Options are United Kingdom, Italy, US, Germany or Spain. Its answer is United States. He belonged to United States. Thanks for watching this session. If you really like the session, hit the like button and share the link with your friends. And if you did not subscribe the channel till now, please subscribe the channel. Guys, अगर आपने फर्स्ट सीरीज़ नहीं देखी है तो I would request you to watch the part 1 of the series. Thanks for watching.